Hi everyone, how you guys doing? Hope everybody's doing good. Welcome to this video. Hi. So basically I have here the Wendy's 4 for 4, the famous Wendy's 4 for 4. So you get four items, three in the bag and one drink. And yeah, just gonna get some paper towels. Well, I do have paper towel here. You know, so I took some paper towel from there. They usually give paper towels, but they didn't get no paper towel this time inside the bag. So yeah, fries. We got some fries. We got some dips. Yeah, one dip. I'm thinking about my mom. She has her teeth hurting her. Um yes, she needs to go to the dentist, but she goes to a specialist too for her teeth. And I hope she's doing much better today. So yeah. Dip with barbecue sauce, fries with barbecue sauce. Um, yes, if the president give us a fourth stimulus check, it will be good for all people. We gotta see this week. If nothing happened this week, I guess doomsday. Everybody needs money right now. And the fourth stimulus check will be a good help for everybody. Dip on the sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, definitely. You know, the fries. The fries are kind of cool. Let's see the nuggets. We got some nuggets here. Yeah, the nuggets are cool too. They're not that hot either. No. Dip on the sour cream. Sour sweet and sour. Mm. Yeah, comment down below if you like Chinese food. You know. Yeah, comment down below if you donate money to my GoFundMe. If I do a GoFundMe for my mom, so she could fix her teeth and her mouth. You know. I do have a PayPal. You know. It could be directly to my PayPal. You know. We got our drink here. One fun fact is everybody likes cheese. That's one good fact. Everybody likes cheese, you know. Yeah, my hair is growing. Yeah. I got some ketchup here. One ketchup, and we got two ketchup, just in case we need them. I think we need just one ketchup. If we need if I need to, you know. So here we got a sandwich. We got a cheese junior cheeseburger, you know, and by the look of it, it has plenty of it has plenty of ketchup there and cheese and the patty and onions and pickles. So that's good. So if I wanted to, I just put more ketchup on the sandwich, just a little bit to wet the whistle, you know, just a little bit, you know. There we go. So sandwich down. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try it with the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna try it with the sweet and sour sauce. And that's what we have, so those was the 4 items and the 4 for 4, you know. Yeah. Mhm. Will I buy it again? Yes, I will buy the 4 for 4 again, because it was okay. um so clean myself here, a little bit. All right. So I'll rate it from 0 to 10. I'll give it a 7.1, because they used to have the chicken sandwich too with this, and you could add like bacon, whatever you want in with it, and it will cost more. That's the deal. So, but overall, I'll give it 7.1 because it was good. It was delicious. Uh, I'll buy it again, of course. Yes, I will buy it again. Uh, uh, you know, so uh, you know, um, yeah. So that's my review for today. For the 4 for 4, it was good. It was okay. Um, you know, so and the drink. So I'll do a toast to good food, forevermore. Toast. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. Have a good night. See you later. Peace. Bye bye.